when I start, I don't know anything. I just know that the alphabets.
I'm walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette.
This is not any institution, any coaching. That is not the correct thing. That is our emotional. Because emotional means whenever I can learn something from anywhere, that time we can attachment day by day. Yes or no? But that is most important thing. That is in here. We do not like it is only like a spoken English. That is not correct. আমরা কি করব? আমরা দেখব that is main focus how to develop personality development means overall. How can I develop? Suppose any students came here, they have some reason that I can join your class, but how do you get benefit from your class? That is very important for us. Means you can learn your personal development. Whenever you go anywhere, that time you can approach your schedule. Yes, I can build right now. So that's why I am to share one experience to you. Whenever I just completed my BTech in mechanical sector, I got one multinational job, that is Toyota company at Gurgaon. You know that Delhi is a very like a metropolitan city. So that's why there are so many people do not have any knowledge, but they have very good skills. You remember that skills and knowledge, both bodies always fight in each and everywhere. Knowledge, you know something about your subject. A skill means how can you develop, how to share your expression. That is important. Whenever I engage my job, so many people do not completed their study, but they have so many knowledge about their communication skill, and they will build their personal life. And that time I realized I have degree, but that is no use my present life, like a real life. But what is the important of our degree? So that time I realized that if I have same issue, that means whoever came here, they have also same issue. So that's why I thinking about that. How can I build my society? At that time I left my job. First of all, I can quit my job. I can convince my parents why I am starting this. But I have only one reason. I can develop upcoming society, upcoming student. That is the only reason. Because whenever you have any work, you have correct reason. Otherwise, someone speaking English and also I can admission. You have reason why you are joined. You have reason, then definitely you can carry forward your further life. So that's why. And special thank you for both of you, Mr. Somish sir as well as Prasad sir. And special thank you and also Devasri sir and whoever came here. Because if I thinking about that, if I grow in that way from individually, I can reach like 1,000 people, 2,000 people. That is the limit. But whenever I can join any association, then easily I can reach as soon as possible. So that's why whenever I met both of them, I can thinking this is a chance to accelerate it. If I join with us, then definitely we are help each other. And our prime motivation is I am not a teacher. In here, all are students. I can learn something, you can learn something, and you can share something. Means we can exchange our knowledge to.
What's your name?
My name is Sweta Manna.
Yeah, Sweta Manna. From where you came?
I came from Kuala Kaputalhat, North.
Okay, so which class do you reading right now?
I'm reading in class 4. Now I am going to give the annual examination, and it is going on now also. Then I am going to class 5.
Okay, so tomorrow I think you have some exam, right?
No, tomorrow is not exam. In Tuesday we have the exam.
Yeah. So actually, how feel about this kind of the event?
Firstly, a great thank to all my teacher and to all the respective teachers present here to who give me this beautiful opportunity to share my words to the persons present here. Thank you very much. And the question came from you that how I am feeling right now. Yes, I am feeling very excited with the great institution lives in English that the teacher Prabir, you and many respectful teachers are joining in this institution, and we are going to start a new English course. And I also want that in my society many students are there that in the next country they know that by us that our country is a country, our country is an important country. In our country, many inspirational children are there who can do many things rather than other countries. I also want that now, as we know, our era that English is very important.
I'm walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette.